Ryan?
Oh, Jesus Christ, what now?
Okay, I think I have an idea for my next video. You remember when Michael Reeves made the video where he made a robot, like a laser robot that shined the laser into your eye?
Sure.
Okay, I want to recreate that, but like document the process of me making it, you know what I mean?
Okay, I don't think that's gonna work, because if people
Why
want to
not?
see a video like that, they're gonna go watch his video and not yours.
But you don't understand. I'm putting a lot of
Okay,
time and
why are
energy
you
into it.
calling me if you don't want to
Ryan,
listen to what I have to
I just
say?
wanted to hear that it was a good idea, bro. Is that too much to ask?
Okay, you know what? I don't really care at this
Ryan,
point.
you
Do whatever you want.
motherfucker! Who do you think you fucking are? I hate you so much! Okay, so for the research, I used his video as well as his website. I think that was a good sync, but who knows. Okay, so first up is an Arduino Uno that has a 18 Mega 320 AP microcontroller built into it, and that usually goes for somewhere around $20. I'll also need 2 high torque servo motors for the X and Y, or vertical and horizontal motion. And then I'll need a cheap webcam, which I already have. Shout out Dan, by the way, for buying that for the hackathon. Thanks, Dan. And also a laser diode, which you can find for super cheap online. And finally, an old laptop, but I'm gonna be using a new laptop instead of an old one. On top of this, I also had to purchase a breadboard, some resistors, and some jumper cables. This wasn't cheap. It's here. All right. So, that's what we got. Here are the servos. I think these are the resistors, if I'm not wrong. Here's a breadboard. And here's the Arduino. There's the Arduino. And the lasers. At this point, I thought everything was going great. And then I realized that I had made a fatal error. I don't have jumper cables! I say jumper cable a lot. It's actually jumper wire, but anyway. If you don't know what a jumper cable is, it's this thing right here. These things are basically the most important part of the entire project besides the Arduino. These things carry data, they carry power, and they're how you hook up all your electronics to the breadboard, which is like the central hub of where everything's powered. To summarize, basically, without these things, I would not be able to complete this project, and I forgot to order them. Did I really forget to buy jumper cables? No, I bought them. I forgot to buy fucking jumper cables. That's like the most basic thing. Did I seriously forget to buy jumper wire? I forgot to buy jumper wire. I'm fine. I'll just buy them right now. But you see, this wasn't the only issue. I still had no idea how to use any of the stuff I bought. I have no idea how I'm gonna power these. I have no idea how to use these. There's about 700,000 resistors. I don't know what this is. I know how to use this though. I can make it. I don't have any lights. I think I might be a little over my head. Things weren't looking good. I had absolutely no idea how to do anything with robotics, and I had just given myself one of the hardest projects in my entire life. I didn't know what to do, I didn't have all the parts, and I didn't know how to use the parts I had. I don't know what to do. This is usually the part of the story where the protagonist has the aha moment, but that never happened. Not only did I not know how to do it, I didn't have the time to do it. When I started the project, I knew it would be difficult, but I never thought it'd be this difficult. I didn't know what I was getting into. Okay, so I'll be honest. I have never worked on any type of robot, especially not one that works, before this project. I had no idea what I was doing, and when I don't know what I'm doing, my first instinct is to FaceTime everybody that I know and ask them for help. It doesn't matter if they knew anything about computers, and it also doesn't matter if they knew anything about robotics. If I knew they would answer, I would call them. So I did. I called way too many people, and please. Hey, Jake, you're pretty smart.
Yeah.
By any chance, would you know how to build a robot that shines a laser in your eye using a face tracking software?
Kenny, I made Yoda videos for fucking 9 months. Why are you asking me that?
Hey, Stan, you're pretty smart. Do you know how to build a robot? Hey, Angelica, you're pretty smart, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think you could help me with my, you know the Michael Reeves robot I'm building?
Sure.
Okay, do you think you could help me build it?
Yeah, just put your dick in it. What do you want, Kenny?
Hey, Diana, how have you been? Okay, so I'm building. Okay. Hey, Ryan.
I don't even want to talk to you, bro.
Okay. I'm building a robot, and you're pretty smart, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Do you know how to build a robot?
So you haven't talked to me in 6 months, and you asked me for help building a fucking robot?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, what's up?
Hi, how are you, first of all? Okay, so you know how I'm building that Michael Reeves, like, laser robot?
Yeah.
Okay, I have a small problem.
Let me guess, you don't know how to make it. Kenny, you can't just call me every single time that you have an idea and you don't know how to go about it, and then I have to end up doing your entire, like, project for you, and I have to do your entire YouTube video, like your YouTube script and all the face tracking software and all of that. I thought I have work to do, I have homework, I have a job, I have to do stuff of my own. I'm busy. What?
I thought this is what friends were for. Now that I knew that all my friends were deadbeats and weren't gonna help me, I had to do this by myself. So, that's what I did. I got right to work. In keeping the spirit of the true Michael Reeves thrown together fashion, I'm doing everything on an extra toasty Cheez-It box, and I just scotch-taped the webcam. I don't even know what to say. Before you ask, no, I don't know how I was able to get this to work. At this point, I thought I was never gonna get it done, and this was like a month ago. It took me a month.
Good morning. I woke up about 5 minutes ago, so I thought I'd give a little progress update.
Yeah, Past Kenny was a little too tired to film this, so I'm just gonna narrate. So here's what I did. I took a big pen, I put the laser diode inside of it, and then I attached 2 jumper wires to the end and connected it with scotch tape. I then taped that on both sides to one of my servos, the tilt servo, with 2 pieces of scotch tape on the little arms. Then I took another servo and I kind of just taped a piece of paper onto it and called it a pan servo. I also took the box that the Arduino came in and taped it to the bottom of the Cheez-It box. Everything besides the tilt servo with the scotch tape big pen with the laser diode inside of it, I scrapped and I eventually ended up using a better solution for it. Okay, it has been officially 2 weeks since I started this project and it's still not done. So in the couple of days leading up to this point, I had gotten some stuff done. I replaced most of the scotch tape that held some of the moving parts together with super glue for a more permanent fix. And I started working on the equations that would be in the software that communicated with the Arduino. So I'm able to control the horizontal server. It didn't work. It did not work at all. But after a lot of trial and error, and a lot of failures, and about a week, I was eventually able to get this to happen. Yes! Oh my god, thank fucking god! That took me 2 weeks. That took me 2 fucking weeks. Finally, after so long, every single aspect about the hardware was done, and now it was just onto the software. And I'm gonna be honest, I didn't record myself making the software. However, I did record some tests, so you'll see them right now. It moves! It moves! It moves! At this point, my face was able to control the servo just incorrectly. It definitely moves, but it just doesn't move the right way, you know? And that's okay, because honestly, it crashed. And then, finally, so let me just give a little background before I get to the final part. I started this project on September 13th, 2020. This clip that I'm about to show you was recorded on October 17th. It took me that long just to do the actual project. And then I had to assemble this entire story, I had to edit it, I had to record all the shots. So if this took a really long time, I'm sorry about that, but this is one of the biggest projects I've ever done. Anyway, without further ado, after 1 month and 4 days, this is the result of all my work. I don't even know what test this is at this point, but I don't give a shit. It is currently fucking day, what, 10? I think it's been like 3 weeks now. Ow! Oh my god! Oh my god, it fucking worked! No shot, no shot, no shot, no shot, no shot. Oh, it works! Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I did it! Does it finally work? Holy shit! Oh my god, it fucking works! Holy shit! Here we are, 46 days later, and it's done. And I want to thank today's sponsor. I'm kidding. Do you really think I got a sponsor for this? No, but there are some people who I do want to thank before I go. Firstly, I want to thank Mike Zilka for helping me write certain aspects of the software. And second, I want to thank Ryan Gata for listening to me and being my rubber duck through the entire project every single day for 46 days. He answered my FaceTime calls and listened to me and helped me figure out how to do stuff. So thank you, Ryan. I also want to thank everyone who agreed to do the FaceTime bits. Thank you guys so much. And finally, Michael Reeves, because without him, I probably wouldn't have ever made this video. Well, I guess it's time to say this. If you liked the video, please make sure to give it a like. If you disliked it, you know what to do. These videos take a very long time to make, and a subscribe to the channel would be absolutely amazing. And this also goes without saying, please do not build a robot that shines a laser into your eye. Do not do it. All right? That's it. Thank you all so much for watching. My name is Kenny Blake, and peace out.